Hi, my name is Sarah Mahoney, and I'd like to welcome you to my online digital portfolio. The first row includes 4 buttons that have titles that represent the different documents that you will find when you click on each of the buttons. The first button is my letter of interest that talks about why I would like to apply for the position for coordinator for blended learning and why I think it would be a good fit. The second button that you can click on is my resume, where you can find additional information about my experiences and education. The third button is a list of references that you can contact to get more information about my working style and level of experience. And then the last button in this first row is a collection of recommendation letters specific to this position. If you scroll down on my portfolio, the big box down at the bottom is going to be a thinking map that illustrates the different types of online learning samples that I have had the ability and privilege to design. And as you can see, there are a variety of different types. So when you click on this particular button, it's going to take you to some of the Canvas course samples that I've created throughout the last several years. And so each one of these links will take you to that particular course. So for example, you can just click on that button, it's going to open in a new window, and this will allow you to see more information about the course that I've created as it relates to creating online professional learning. I hope you enjoy looking through my portfolio, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask, give me a call, or shoot me an email. Thanks.